Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 262. So it's very easy, anyone can do it. Here's how. So here in our browser, we're just going to go here in the three dots, we're going to click that one, we're going to click settings, and then from here we're going to go to privacy and security. Let's go to third-party cookies, click this one, and then let's scroll down here and we're going to check see all site data and permissions. Alright, and then you're going to find Roblox. Here's my Roblox. I'm just going to click this one, and then you can see here clear site data and permissions for Roblox. We're going to click clear. Alright, there you go. Now next thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit our Windows key and then R. There you go. We will be able to see this one. We're going to type percent local app data and then percent once again. We're going to click OK. Now that we are here, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to look for a temp folder. Let's click this one. Now that we are here, we're just going to click R. Alright, there it goes. So there's our Roblox. We're going to delete this one. Okay, it's finally deleted. Let's close it. And then we're going to click this one. We're going to find Roblox. Alright, there's our Roblox where we're going to right click, click more, and then we're going to open file location. And then from here, you're just going to right click and we're going to click properties. We're going to click compatibility and we're going to click this one, run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and then OK. Now in order for everything to take effect, what you're going to do is you're going to restart your PC. Now after restarting, it should work. But if it doesn't, the thing that you'll have to do is that you'll have to reinstall Roblox once again. Now in order to do that, we're just going to open this one. We're going to type add. Alright, add or remove programs. We're going to hit that. And then from here, we're going to type Roblox. Okay, Roblox player, we're going to click that one. We're going to hit uninstall. And then after uninstalling that, you're going to go to your browser. Here you are. We're going to click this one. You can click any game and then you can hit play. Once you hit play, there should be a prompt asking you to download Roblox once again. Now comment down below which solution mentioned in this video worked the best for you guys. Now again, that's how we are going to fix Roblox error code 262.